Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Unlock Your Inner Kindness meditation that can be completed on any day as soon as you open your eyes to another peaceful day or tap into a place of serenity throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. We want to take an opportunity to be tender with yourself in this practice and show yourself grace in all that you do. Also, take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for taking a few minutes out of your day to welcome in inner kindness that should allow you to be sympathetic and implement self-love in this practice. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils to receive this beautiful energy. Then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Display affection with yourself, releasing your hands from your knees, crossing your arms and wrapping them around your back, giving yourself a big, deserving hug. Embrace yourself and feel the love pour through your body as you put yourself first in this very moment. Breathe here naturally. Feel free to sway side to side or gently twist and swing from side to side, embodying all of the gentleness you are rightfully entitled to. Come to the center. Place your hands softly back on your knees, but this time palming them to ground the remainder of the goodness that this practice is giving. Now think about all of the nice things that you have to say about yourself. Take a deep breath in as you go to your peaceful place and personify the greatness that you possess. And on your exhale, slowly sigh out the magical energy and allow it to manifest and surround your divine presence. To amplify this energy, we are going to repeat the breath work 2 times, taking a deep inhale in, magnifying the generosity that is warranted. Then with a deep sigh out, exhale it all out, liberating yourself from mediocrity and desirable standards. Again, for additional self-empowerment, take a deep inhale in through your nostrils. Then with your final deep sigh of the practice, exhale it out, demonstrating self-forgiveness and responsibility to continue to be kind to yourself. Breathe here, finding your natural rhythm and feeling the peace fill your inner body and exude throughout your outer presence. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am unlocking my inner kindness for more peaceful days ahead. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Unlock Your Inner Kindness meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.